Nigeria is home to some of the richest and most powerful businessmen in Africa. From oil and gas to banking and telecommunications, these individuals have built massive wealth and influence. In this video, we reveal the top 15 richest men in Nigeria and their states of origin. Let's begin. 15. Emeka Offa, Anambra State, a successful businessman with investments in oil, gas, and power. 14. Cletus Ibito, Anambra State, founder of Ibito Group, known for manufacturing and cement. 13. Benedict Peters, Delta State, a major player in the oil and energy sector. 12. Leo Stan Ike, Imo State, a pioneer in Nigeria's technology industry. 11. Pascal Dozie, Imo State, founder of Diamond Bank and a respected business leader. 10. Jimo Ibrahim, Ondo State, a diversified investor across several industries. 9. Oba Ochudiko, Ogun State, chairman of Honeywell Group with major investments. 8. Orji Uzakalu, Abia State, a businessman and former governor with strong investments. Chairman of UBA and a key investor across Africa. 6. Theophilus Danjuma, Taraba State, a retired general and billionaire investor. 5. Jim Ovia, Delta State, founder of Zenith Bank and a major figure in banking. 4. Femi Otedola, Oyo State, a major player in energy and investments. 3. Abdul Samad Rabiu, Kano State, founder of BUA Group, with interests in cement and sugar. 2. Mike Adenuga, Ogun State, owner of Globacom and one of Africa's richest men. 1. Aliko Dangote, Kano State, the richest man in Africa, with massive investments in cement, sugar, and oil. These are some of the richest and most influential men in Nigeria, coming from different states across the country. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.